Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll have a look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, which is a new tablet from Samsung, and I already have this, been using it for the last couple of days, so I'll give you an overview about that one. And I also have this accessory. This is a separate accessory. This is actually known as the book cover keyboard, so I also have that, so we'll have a look at that one. And this is for about 15,000, but if you buy it with the tablet itself, you get a 10,000 rupees discount. And guys, just want to make it very clear that this video is made in association with Samsung India. Hence, I could interview Mr. Madhur, who's the director of tablets for Samsung India. I shot a video with him earlier, so I'll add that clip in the later part of the videos. But first, let's have a look at this tablet. And guys, let me quickly actually show you what comes inside the box, then we'll look at the tablet. So obviously I have taken out the tablet, and it comes in two variants, guys. 4 gigabytes of RAM that comes with 64 GB of storage, and one more that is 6 gigabytes of RAM with 128 gigabyte. I have the 6 gigabyte RAM variant, and as you can see, we get this S Pen that is included in the box. You don't have to pay anything extra for this one, so I'll just keep that to the side. And we also get a charger. This is standard 15 watt charger, but this tablet does support 25 and even 45 watts of fast charging, but if you have to buy those fast chargers separately. So that's what we get in the box. I'll just keep that to the side for now, and let me actually show you the tablet first. Let me first show you, give you an overview about this one. And it feels very good. Premium back is actually metallic, guys. As you can see, we have the camera. It's 8 megapixel rear facing camera, and if we look at this one, and let me just unlock it. This has a 12.4 inch screen that we are actually getting. And if I go over here, let me give you a physical overview first. We have actually multiple microphones on this one. One is over here. This is one of the speakers. It has stereo speakers, and this is the power on off button, volume rocker, one more mic, and here this actually you can put a MicroSD card for expansion up to 1 terabyte on this one. Then here we have that second speaker for that stereo effect. We have the Type-C port for charging, and bottom this is the special connector that will connect to these book covers. I'll just show you that later on. So the tablet feels nice, premium, and it's actually not that heavy. If I recall, 608 grams, and you unlock it with the webcam. It does not have any physical fingerprint scanner. Uses the face recognition for unlocking. And again, as you can see, guys, a typical Samsung layout that you are getting. It also has DeX functionality, so it becomes like a mini computer when you actually attach it with this keyboard, or even if you connect this tablet to monitor or a television. So that DeX functionality is there even on this one. So these are some of the apps that are pre-installed on this one. And as I've told you, you also get this S Pen. So here we have the S Pen support also on this tablet, and it just works like this. And if you click here, you get the S Pen features over here. If you have used any of the Note smartphones, it's very similar to that. You have the Pen app. You can just click this to create your notes on this one, and the latency is actually really good. It's just 30 milliseconds of latency, so feels actually pretty natural. And this is pressure sensitive. If I recall, it's 4096 pressure sensitive that it is. So you have this. I'll just quit this for the time being. So here you have your notes and all these things, and just get out. And again, it's full featured. For example, whatever features that we have earlier seen on Note devices, you get that full functionality. For example, let me again invoke this. Let's say this article you were reading this article, and you found something interesting. You want to highlight it and send it to someone. Very easy with this one. You just click here, and you use the screen write option. It takes a screenshot, and now you can jot down notes. Let's say important or whatever. So this is great for note keeping, doing research work and stuff like that. Again, I won't save this. You can obviously save it. I'll just discard it. So again, it has all the S Pen functionality on this one. Even it has the Pen Up app. Again, you can use this for doodling and stuff. So you have that. A lot of options over here for the S Pen. So you get actually pretty good S Pen functionality. In fact, let me just go to this view. In fact, there are some special apps for S Pen, as you can see, the Clip Studio, Canva, and Note Shelf. And as you can see from the screenshot, you get trial versions of that one. So this tablet takes good advantage of this S Pen. So that's regarding the S Pen on this one. And again, Samsung also claims that the speakers are pretty good on this tablet. These stereo speakers are tuned by AKG. So let's actually do one thing. Let's just fire up YouTube and let me just play one of the copyright free songs. Let me skip that. So guys, playing this, and let me increase the volume. And definitely the speakers are actually loud, and you get that stereo effect by blocking here. And this one also claims to have Dolby Atmos, so let's enable that. So definitely that Atmos is creating that slight stereo effect and even boosting the volume level. So the speaker quality is good. So again, for media consumption, that is for watching videos and stuff, it's a good tablet, I would say. And regarding the screen, as I've told you, it's a 12.4 inch screen. And guys, here are the specs for your reference. It's powered with the Snapdragon 750G, and other specs are here for your reference. And the screen quality is good on this tablet. I was watching some movies also, so the experience is actually good on this tablet. It's actually a WQXGA resolution screen. Hence, even the text, etc., is very, very crisp on this tablet, as you can see. So no issues regarding that. So it's a good quality screen that Samsung has. But generally, Samsung does not compromise on screen qualities, and that's the same case even with this tablet. And if I look at the camera, we have a rear facing camera that's 8 megapixel. I don't know, I don't take photographs like this, but the front facing camera is a 5 megapixel, and Samsung says that they have optimized this. It has the dual microphones and stuff, so it's great for what do you say, videos and stuff. So let me do one thing. Let me actually shoot a video with the front facing camera so that you have a better idea regarding the same. So guys, recording this part of the video with the front facing camera of this Samsung S7 FE tablet, and I feel the front facing camera has become really important these days because of online conferences and classes, etc. But what do you guys think about the camera performance? The audio is also being recorded via its internal microphones. Now you might be wondering, where do you keep this S Pen? And actually it's, as you can see, this area is magnetic, so if you keep the S Pen, it attaches here. And also, if you just leave the S Pen here, actually it is attached, so, and it does not go anywhere. It doesn't charge or anything, but you can just keep the S Pen here while you're working like this, and it just sticks to this one. The S Pen functionality is fine, but now let me also again, regarding the S Pen, guys, we also have one secondary button on this S Pen. So it's not a dumb S Pen, so you can do some extra stuff. I won't get too much into the S Pen because the video will get too long. But now let me also quickly show you this book cover accessory, and let me actually show you how you can attach it first. It's very easy. You just place it. It has actually magnets, so automatically it will align, and as you can see, you have attached it. And again, if you notice, we have a empty area here where you can just put your S Pen, so you can do that. So this is how the book cover is, and so it actually protects also your tablet, and the quality is actually pretty good on this one. And if you open it up, you can use it. Again, it automatically detects that, and you unlock it. And what you can do is you can put it like this, and now it acts like a keyboard. So if you type a lot, then you can use this one, and you can also invoke the desk mode to make it look like what is a desktop. So this is the keyboard cover accessory that you are getting with this one. Now let me actually play back the interview that I did with Mr. Madhur. So hi Madhu, and thanks for taking out the time. And I'll just quickly ask 3 questions to you so that users get an idea. First, let's talk about this S7 FE tablet. Specifically from a brand's point of view, what are the target audience that Samsung is targeting with this tablet?
Sure, Ranjit. First of all, thank you for having me on this video. It's a delight to be hosted by you. And I must say that I'm joining this video through the Tab S7 FE, the all-new device. So you're seeing the device live in action right now, its audio and video capabilities. Now, coming to your question of who's the target audience, I believe this tablet is a very compelling device for students and professionals alike. We have taken some of the most loved features of our Tab S7 Plus device and brought it into a mighty new package for students and professionals. It comes with a large display, a mighty battery, a very powerful S Pen in the box, a very stylish design, and a keyboard cover, which enhances the productivity experience for users. And I'm very sure this device will become the best friend of students and professionals alike in the weeks and months to come.
Okay. So as you were mentioning, S Pen, I believe, is included in the package, right? But this specific S Pen does not require charging like some of the other tablets. So what is this?
Sure. So this is the S Pen of this device. I have it in my hand right now. Again, it's a very powerful S Pen. We have built it keeping the user's needs in mind. It's almost like a magic wand that helps users take notes, finish assignments and presentations, as well as express their creativity through art or doodling. The S Pen it's an ultra low latency S Pen and extremely pressure sensitive. At the same time, extremely lightweight, so that it gives a very unique paper pen experience, almost a real life paper pen experience to users. And inspiration for magic can strike a user anytime, right? So we didn't want users to be running for a charger when they have to create magic. And hence we designed an S Pen that is available for creating magic anytime that a user wants. So whenever inspiration strikes, this S Pen will be ready for the usage that a user wants to put it to.
Okay. So as you were talking about this keyboard cover also, and I feel that's an important part of the tablet to get the full experience. I believe Samsung has some initial offers also about this one. So can you talk about that one?
Yes. Yes. The keyboard cover again is is one of the most loved parts of our Tab S7 Plus experience. Users love it. And hence we decided to extend that experience to the Tab S7 FE as well. Okay. The specially designed keyboard cover of the Tab S7 FE is, it can be snapped onto the device very easily for productivity as well as protection with a magnetic attach. Okay. And of course, usual controls of display and sound also can be configured on those hotkeys. There is an offer on the keyboard cover that we have. Okay. We are extending a rupees 10,000 off on the keyboard cover as part of our launch of S7 FE. So this keyboard cover will be available for rupees 4,999.
Okay, cool. So thanks, Madhu. These were the questions that I have for you. Again, thanks for joining this session. Another thing is that I checked with Samsung team is regarding the software updates on this one. As you know, most of the new Samsung smartphones are getting 3 years of Android upgrades and almost 4 years of security updates. This tablet will also be getting that. So in terms of software updates and stuff, you don't have to worry about this tablet. But anyways, what do you guys think about this Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE? Do let me know in the comment section below. And guys, if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. This is Ranjit and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.